Hello and welcome back to my channel. Okay, that was real bad, real bad. Like, who does that? Like, me, of course. Me. Why I gotta look all bald here? Like, what is going on? Why can't you grow? Like, I'm gonna get me some miracle grow on that sucker. Hello and welcome back to my channel. So let me tell you guys, I was contemplating for the longest time, should I get this palette? Should I not get this palette? I mean, it's beautiful, but you got the people that love it and then you got the people that hate it. And they were like right there, half and half. And I'm like, I have credit. Should I use it? Should I wait? Maybe something else is going to come out that's going to be like a rave that everybody wants. But at the end, I was like, my credit's gonna like expire. I need to get with it and just do it. So I did. I ended up getting finally the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde, and let me tell you, it is beautiful. Like, these are definitely spring colors for for Christmas, for December, because this is definitely not the color scheme that you would think for this time of year. But it is gorgeous. Like, I'm gonna definitely input some swatches that I took for Instagram so you guys could see it as well. I was like, let's play with it. Let's see how it does. So if you guys want to see how this beautiful palette does, oh my god, I can't find the words. If you want to see how it performs, there we go. Just keep watching and I'll show you how I did this a bit of extravagant look. So stay tuned. Well, what you guys think? What you guys think? Okay, I went a little extravagant, but I wanted to use as many colors as I could so that way I can show you guys, you know, the payoff, the pigment, the blendability, and use as many colors as I can. The packaging is gorgeous. I mean, the packaging had me from day one. She does incredible packaging. The color scheme, it's definitely not what you would think for a fall or winter time, but I think it's great like spring colors. And sometimes, you know, I'm not that girl that goes by, you know, it's fall, it's winter, it's spring, it's summer. No, I go by whatever I feel like putting on my eyes that day, you know. And it's nice to play with these beautiful colors. They're definitely pastels, there's some darks, there's some shimmers, there's some very glittery one. Overall, I really did enjoy using this palette. I was kind of glad that I caved in and said, you know what, let me use my credit from Sephora and get this beautiful girl right here because she's just gorgeous. So if you're contemplating and you're not too sure because you're like, oh, some people like it, some people don't. Overall, it is a beautiful palette. It's just your taste. So if you're, you know, debating it, just do it like I did. Add to my 30-something collection of palettes that I have. I do own from her, I was counting this earlier, it was 3 over there, the 4th one here, so this is number 5. I do own her foundation, which I'm wearing today. I do own the concealer as well, which I'm wearing today. It is really like, it's really good. It's really good. These do have scent. This does not, so you're good. It doesn't have scent. The fallout or the kickback was, I didn't really get any. And let me tell you, I used it yesterday. I did a very simple look for the first time. So this is my second look, well, second time using it. And I used 2 different type of brushes just to kind of see. So I used this new collection that will be out in January from Prados Beauty. They make the best brushes ever. So if you're looking for brushes and you're looking for a company that pays back, you know, pays it forward and helps people, this is the company. I'm also wearing the lashes from them. They're called Cece. So all that will be, you know, ready in January. But if you, I had no kickback. And I used these brushes. I used Morphe brushes yesterday, some Wet n Wild, and I had no problem. So definitely, if you're, you know, debating it, I say go for it. You know, we only live once. Anyways, guys, if you like the video, please don't forget to hit like, clap, clap, clap. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and a little notification bell so you're notified when I upload next. And that way you see that notification and you could run the other way. Like, hell no, that girl is nuts. But if you want a good laugh, then you come visit me. Come visit me sometime. I'm going to try to do some other looks with this palette, so definitely stay tuned for that. And like always, guys, remember that there is a positive in every negative. So keep that chin up. You got this. You're almost there. Just keep it rolling. You all take care. Bye-bye. Adios. Hasta la vista. We finished product. What do you guys think? Oh my God, what the hell am I doing? I'm sorry, I'm losing it.